we are today. First, una sa tanan, we cannot help but be thankful for the leaders who have played instrumental roles in shaping the destiny of our beloved city. We owe a debt gratitude to individuals like former Congressman Lima Alvarez, who passed Republic Act 8297 in the House of Congress way back in 1987 just to make our town a city. His dedication and commitment have significantly contributed to the progress and development of Cabancalan. Let us also remember the former governor and the first city mayor of our city, Isidro P. Saigo, a visionary leader who is considered the architect of Cabancalan. His significant contribution have transformed Cabancalan from a humble municipality into a thriving and progressive hub, rightfully considered as the heart of Negros Island. We have weathered many storms, faced numerous challenges, and endured tragedies.